The X engine from LiquidPiston represents a quantum leap in combustion technology, but this technological advancement didn't happen overnight. The development of the X-Mini multi-fuel rotary engine represents the work of dozens of members on the LiquidPiston team, and spanned well over a year. From multiple design iterations created using state-of-the-art CAD software, to the various design mules used as operating prototypes to refine the engine to its present state, the X-Mini is now taking on the next challenge in power for propulsion: flight. Based on the company's patented HE-HC thermodynamic cycle, the X-Mini features an exceptionally high power density of up to 1.5 horsepower per pound, and with only 2 primary moving parts. It's comprised of 10 times fewer parts compared to a piston engine, making it extremely quiet, reliable, and fuel efficient. Offering unmatched fuel capabilities, the X-Mini is compatible with multiple types of fuels, including Jet A or JP8 fuels, making it the leader in cross-platform accommodation. It is truly power reimagined. Following the success of our prototype and to demonstrate the outstanding flight capabilities of the X-Mini, it was time to prove the engine in the air. Running on Jet A fuel similar to JP8, the X-Mini successfully completed both ground testing and flight testing. Currently, the propulsion system is set up in a parallel electric hybrid configuration. Here, an electric motor works in combination with a combustion engine to provide an added boost in power during takeoff. Eventually, the system will be adapted so the electric motor will operate as a generator in flight, charging onboard batteries to enable VTOL operation. LiquidPiston has developed a patent-pending technology to rapidly start its engine on jet fuel. The parallel hybrid configuration, coupled with rapid engine start capability, allows for new modes of UAV operation, including the in-flight switchover to quiet cruising mode using electric propulsion. Here, we remotely shut off the combustion engine, the aircraft is now powered solely by the electric motor in quiet cruise mode. Once the vehicle completes the stealth part of its mission, the engine is turned back on and the vehicle can recharge its batteries and return home. This quiet electric cruise with in-flight engine restart capability is a unique function of the LiquidPiston Hybrid X engine platform. It's not currently fielded by the Army, but it's ideal for supporting the propulsion requirements for future unmanned tactical aerial systems. LiquidPiston. Power reimagined.